Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off your Nokia 105. Maybe you don't use it right now and you want it to be off, then you can press the decline button and then say switch off, and now it's turning off. To turn the phone back on, you need to press the decline button again a little longer until you see the Nokia logo. This one right here. Now you need to wait a second and then we're back in the phone. It's much easier than on other phones, honestly. We now have to enter our SIM card again. Alright, need to wait a couple seconds. It's not the fastest phone, but it's doing its job. So that's actually all about how you can turn on and off your Nokia 105. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.